Good evening from here in London. So we're just heading into the closing bell on Wall Street, and it does look like equities are going to finish in negative territory for the day. All three major indices look like they're going to be finishing down around 0.5%, with the Dow the weakest of the three. Ahead of the opening bell, we did have a rather large gap down in the Globex Open overnight, and from the US opening bell we have seen a bit of short covering in the markets. So this has seen a bit of a move up to the 1340 level in E-mini S&P. We have retraced a little bit of that towards the closing bell as participants look to cover a little ahead of US House Speaker scheduled to be speaking just after the closing bell over on Wall Street. So in terms of economic data, we had that Dallas Fed number. This did come in slightly weaker than expected, although this did not really move the markets a great deal. WTI crude was fairly directional, some range bound. It finished in minor negative territory for the day. T-notes came under a little bit of pressure as the doubts over the US debt talks and the debt ceiling extension continue, with no real agreement in sight as of yet. So we'll be looking out for any market reaction to US Senate Leader Reid's plan, which he plans to submit overnight. So looking forward to tomorrow, we have the UK advanced GDP figure coming out at 9:30 London time, and then moving into the US we have the US consumer confidence to look forward to, as well as that Richmond Fed number as well. So that's it for the evening from us. We hope you have a good night, and we'll see you again tomorrow.